Hi guys! Today, I will give you a tutorial for the step to reality edit. First, go to TTD3, as the edit is only done there. Then go to the emotes board, and search runtime. And record yourself doing the emote. Here is the example video. Then you need to take a screenshot of the place you want the edit to be. Here is the example screenshot. Then go to CapCut and select Project and select the screenshot. The photo or video has to be at least 7 seconds long. And record yourself playing the video. Then export it, and then make another new project, and select the exported video. Then do what I do. Then create another new project, and then put the exported video. You can then add effects like color glitch at the clip where her character steps into reality. Hope this helps. You can also download audio for extra help.